Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. This recipe is great for adults and kids alike. Some may call them hot dog appetizers, I call them hot dog snacks. Whatever you call them, they're delicious. So without further ado, let's go. Here's what you'll need. Originally, you'd use teriyaki sauce and sweet chili sauce. Instead, I'm using maple syrup for the teriyaki and a mix of honey and sriracha for the chili. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of the oil, soy sauce, maple syrup, honey, sriracha, garlic and salt. Let me just nudge it a bit. Mix it all till combined. It should look like this. Now slice the hot dogs to bite-sized pieces. Add them to the bowl and mix till fully covered. Heat up the remaining olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the hot dogs with the marinade. My pan was a bit too hot. Spread them around and fry till golden brown. About halfway through, add the sesame oil and mix it. Towards the end, add the sesame seeds and mix till covered. Serve it with some sliced green onions. You can eat it as is or with some ketchup and mayo. By the way, do you mix your ketchup and mayo like I do or keep them separated? Let me know in the comments below. You know what? I'm taking all of it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!